We tune in this moment, opening our hearts in meditation. Beginning with a few deep community breaths. We allow ourselves to become centered. We invite the mind to slow down. We simply watch the breath, feel the breath, notice the breath on every inhale and exhale. Allowing ourselves to relax. On the inhale, we draw the crown of the head high. And on the exhale, the shoulders fall down. As we keep our attention on the breath, it allows the thinking mind to relax. Letting go of all that came before this moment and all that might come after. We recognize that this is the one moment that is, the one moment that exists. And we begin to feel the sweetness of bringing all of our attention and our intention into this moment. We begin to feel how light that is, to just be with the now. With each breath, we become more grounded. Any tension, anxiety, or thought gently lifts. And we begin to simply notice this moment for what it is. Notice the silence. Notice the stillness. And allow it to nourish the inner landscape of being. Breath by breath. I invite you to gently place your hand on your heart in gratitude for this time in silence and the peace that silence creates. Gratitude for the others that hold this space with us, that practice the silence, creating peace in our world and bringing wisdom in. We breathe into this gratitude. We let it surround us. We let it go before us. Namaste.